Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone touch screen not working on any iPhone. So I will request all my subscribers and friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest all video notification on your notification on your mobile, and then uh, fix this problem. The first solution, restart your iPhone, then volume up button and volume down button, and then click on power button, and then not increase on your power button. Then you see on your mobile Apple logo and your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working, then second solution, remove the from screen water, and then you remove on iPhone uh, screen water, and then your problem will be fixed. And then third solution, disconnect from accessories charge cable. When you mobile use and then data cable with charge, and then disconnect, and you use on your iPhone, and your problem will be fixed. Other reset all setting, number fourth solution, and then you open the setting and then click on general, and then scroll up and then transfer reset, then click on reset all setting, and give a iPhone passcode on your mobile, and your problem will be fixed. And their last solution, this problem will be fixed. Last solution, open the again setting and then click on accessibility, and then click on touch, and then click on touch accommodation, and then turn on, and then your problem will be fixed. uh, and and this solution will be 100% fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.